everybody, today we are going to cook together. So for this recipe I take some garlic in powder. I will need some onions that I cut in small not slices, smaller squares. I cannot show you how I did because I have done it before to film it. You will need a knife, a sharp knife, because it doesn't break everything. You need a sharp knife when you cook. So that's it. I have my boiling casserole there, and I'm able to prepare pastas. So what do I need else? I need some pastas, of course. For this time I used pastas already prepared by industrial one, but in another video I will maybe try to make them myself. I have different machines for this. We will try it, so you will see how I do, and you just have to do it with yours if you have one. If you give me an advice, I would please it, because we do it for fun, to have pleasure to cook. I'm not a professional. I just want to share with you how I do my life, all we share on our channel is only the way we live. This is our experiences, and I want you to enjoy by what we do. So we saw that we need pastas. So I take some spaghettis there. You can see spaghettis. I like those one because you can roll them, and I will show you how to make a beautiful dish with simple spaghettis like that. And for the sauce you will need some anchovy like this, with you can have them with something inside, like this, not a bean, I don't know how you say it in English, but you put it with fish, it's better, it's tastier. So anchovy and some tomato. This is tomato broiled. Uh, they are broiled. For a sauce, that what I can advise you the best. So now the water is boiling, so I will put my pastas in like this. I put them. Never break them like that. In Italy, it's a mortal sin. Don't forget. Never break them like this. I don't want to see it. It's a mortal sin in Italy. You will have arguments with everyone if you do that. So then, I've done it. I need a pan for my sauce. So this is my pan for the sauce. I put it on the fire. I put strong, 9 is okay. So it's starting. I need some oil. Usually I prefer to use olive oil for cooking and for everything, but I don't have any more, so I use another one. This is a colza one. This one. That's enough. For today we use this one. Not my favorite, but that's okay. This is just oil. So I make it warm. on the aspiration, and then I will start our sauce. So first we need to cook the onions. Yummy, smells good. So now I take my this just to see it should color, not burn, never burn, just color. You use strong fire and just do it soft. That's it. You smell with your hand like this. Take. Perfect. You wait 2 or 3 minutes. Not more. You just have to look. You hear the sound. The onions are singing. That means it's hot enough and they cook well. Let it like this. I will open the tomatoes. Yeah, that's it. I open the tomatoes. So I put a bit of oil in the water to not go over the casserole. I don't know how you call it in English. So that's it. Now my onions are colored, so I put the fire at 6. Okay. Doesn't work. Okay. That's okay. It works. So I put it on 6. I just put some tomato. Not too much. The rest I keep for soup or something else, another sauce. I will see. So now it looks like this. Not too much liquid, just a few tomatoes for the sauce, but not too much liquid, because if it's too liquid, the sauce is just water with taste. So you need to have a bit of concentration for taste. Now that's okay. And I will put something more. My garlic. So if you have fresh garlic, you put it in at the beginning with the onions. I don't, so I put it after like this. That's enough. And you turn it in the pan. Yeah, that's it. So you just do it. Now what I need is a bit of pepper. Some people don't like pepper, and if it's too hard for you, you should use something else. So for pepper, I use this one from Lidl, which is lemon pepper. I found it at their place, not so bad. Don't put too much, just taste it as you need, because my taste is not yours, so I do for mine. And if you want, because I love this, you can put some dill inside, if it works. That's it. So you put some dill, right? Okay. And then you turn. I'm not a professional. I used to work in a kitchen for several years, but I'm not considered as a complete professional. I just do it by myself for my pleasure and the pleasure of the people I cook for. I didn't finish my apprentice, so that's why I'm not considered as a professional. But I do it with my love for you, for all the people who look at that video. So then it's cooking softly. I do it like this, and what I will do is to see or anchor these. So we will not put them in the on the hot because they are already cooked, but I will just present them as best as I can. Now I take a plate, if I find it. So now I have to put my pastas inside this. Now they're without water. I put off the water, and I will use my sauce inside like this. You will see how beautiful it is. Right. And I will clean it after. I use my spoon to turn all. Now I show you a secret. I will need a fork and also a spoon, and you will see how to do. So I have a fork for meat and a spoon, and I take all I need like that, turn it that way. So that's the way I do. Turn it like this and put it in the plate like this, and just put away. And I make a second one for all I need. Present